Imagine a single bass line so unstoppable it survived the death of its singer, the cancer of its champion, and the digital storm that almost erased live bands. Yet it still lives today. This is the Answer Riddim, the juggernaut of Jamaican music. This is One Drop Facts, where we share the stories like we're sitting down together. Ready? Let's roll. In 1967, Slim Smith poured his heart into I'll Never Let You Go, backed by Coxsone Dodd's Studio One House Band, the Soul Vendors. Slower than ska, deeper than most rocksteady, it carried a juggernaut bass line and a piercing horn riff. Slim's soulful cry made it eternal. But just 6 years later, Slim Smith was gone, dead in tragedy at only 25. His voice ended, but the rhythm refused to die. A decade later, in 1977, an up-and-coming DJ named Lone Ranger grabbed that same instrumental, toasted over it, and renamed it The Answer. One song, and suddenly the rhythm had a new life. The streets embraced it so hard that the new name stuck forever. From then on, it wasn't Never Let Go anymore. It was The Answer. And Jamaica went to war over it. Producers like Joe Gibbs, Bunny Lee, and Jah Thomas rushed to cut their own versions. Sister Nancy voiced Transport Connection, making it a dancehall anthem. Yellowman flipped it with slackness on Body Move. Brigadier Jerry wrote it with fiery conscious lyrics. Dennis Brown sang Heartbreak on I Can't Stand It. Over 300 versions flooded the airwaves, the same bass line becoming a battlefield for reggae's biggest names. But this rhythm story doesn't stop in Jamaica. It jumped the Atlantic into London. Smiley Culture's Police Officer rode The Answer into UK reggae history. Super Cat voiced Vineyard Party in London, sending it right back to Kingston. The Answer became global, a cultural boomerang bouncing between two reggae capitals, never losing its power. Even the digital age couldn't kill it. While Slang Tang announced the machine era, The Answer stayed alive, passed down like scripture. And in 2021, more than 50 years after Slim Smith first sang it, Luciano and Mikey General cut Redemption on a brand new reimagining by Dubstyle Records. The same juggernaut bass line, reborn for a new generation. The Answer Riddim is proof that in Jamaica, a rhythm is more than music, it's living DNA. It carries voices through time, connects Kingston to London to Brooklyn, and proves that even when men fall, the rhythm never dies. So tell me, which version of The Answer hits you hardest? Drop it in the comments and let the rhythm keep talking. One drop, one love, one mission. Until next time, stay groovy.